welcome back to the channel, man. So finna get started on the speaker installation, man, on the SS. Got two 12s I want to install with a 1200 watt amp. I'm gonna go with a Skar audio system. Already went with Skar audio 6x9s in the back, which I'm gonna get another amp for that as well. So that being said, we're finna go and get started. I'm not gonna prolong it. It's gonna take a little minute to get this wire fed through. And I'm talking about the power wire, and I wanna run it on the passenger side. So with that being said, I need to go and get started, man, because that's gonna take a little bit of time trying to fish it through that end. But before we get started, you already know what you gotta do for your boy. You gotta like, comment, subscribe to the channel, definitely smash that notification bell. That way you can stay alert to all the new drops you did. So let's get active. Alright, peoples. So to let y'all know where we at, man, so I actually went ahead and ran the power cord on the driver's side. And actually pulled it all the way to the back. However, I'm not feeling this by having it going all the way across the other side to the motor. So guess what? I went ahead and pulled that grommet out just below the passenger side. Just to kind of get like a dummy feel for it, to see what was up, and figured it out. So, and it actually comes up. And it actually comes up through here. Y'all can't see it right now, but I can straight pull this up. Bam. So this is exactly how I'm gonna run it. But I'm about to go ahead and pull this all the way through. Yeah. So because I found that out, I'm going to pull all this back through and run it back on the other side. Yes, I wasted a lot of time doing this, but you know, a better plan came into fruition. So guess what? It's not wasted time to me. It ain't wasted time to me. Because we're gonna go and get this. I want this to be right. I'm gonna sit that through here. Actually, can I pull this out? So, let me go and get this pulled back out, y'all. And we're gonna go and get it ran on the right side. You did, so stay tuned. Alright, blue wire ran. Blue wire power cord ran. Finna run these. This RCA and this power wire on this side. Keep them separated. You know what I mean? I like to do it. I know a lot of people say you don't have to, but I like to do it to prevent any feedback. So we're gonna get this in. Once we get that in on this side, go ahead and wire up the deck. I can go ahead and wire up the we're gonna wire up the deck completely with both of the cords. I'm not gonna wire up the power yet. Figure out a ground that should be situated, and then by the time UPS gets here with that carpet for the back trunk, when they get here, then we'll be good to go. We'll be kicking. You did. So stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. Starting to come along. Trying to figure out how I'm gonna place that Skar amp. I really want to place it up there some way. Somehow it would be dope if I can come up with some type of mounting for it, but we'll see. So stay tuned. Alright. Head unit, man. Got the power cord up there. Need to cut that. Add in the fuse box, which I'm going to put it probably right here. Yep. Put it on the side of the fender. I'm definitely gonna put it right there. And so, we should be able to get power. And then the ground. Where we gonna ground this thing at? I don't know, this, depending on how long it is, I might ground it. This should be, this is metal. So I should be able to ground it on the back of that. Probably ground it in the back. I want to keep all the wires in the back. So, yeah. Let's see what's to it big, so stay tuned. Alright, and we're back. So I went ahead and mounted up the fuse box right here. So I'm gonna go and cut that wire and then finish all this up for the power. UPS ain't came yet, man. So they holding me up. I can't do nothing without them dropping that pad down. Nothing. But I can go ahead and get all this stuff cleaned up. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get all this stuff cleaned back up. So when it do drop, we'll be ready to go, you did. So stay tuned. Hopefully we come back with sound soon. You did. Woo. So everything back in. Right now. Sitting here tackling this wire for the unit. Somebody should add some zip ties to this thing. But anyways, blowing white, power continue. So I'm gonna cut this down real quick. I don't need all this extra wire. Too much wire. Let's cut that down about right there. Set y'all up. Alright, I need my heat shrink. Alright. Alright, that's that part. Alright, so that's done. So now I'm gonna just clean these little wires up, zip tie these joints up somewhere. They're gonna be Gucci there. And that pat just dropped. You already know what time it is. Let's see what that carpet look like. Let's see what this carpet gonna look like now. Check it in. So, ordered some new carpet for the trunk. And I needed this so I can put the speaker box in because personally, I don't like to do things twice. So, I didn't want to put the speaker box in without it being down. So we're going to see what's to it. Looking good. That all black. Ooh. Let's see. Remake carpet. Let's see how this gonna go in there. I'm probably gonna have to add some. Yeah, so let's see what this gonna look like. I'm definitely probably gonna have to add some Velcro to this thing. Alright, peoples. So it came in and it looked like it's gonna be fire. But you know your boy's somewhat OCD, kinda like a perfectionist. I want everything to be clean, and having all this brown and all that brown, I can't even do it. So what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna get some soap and water and pull this back out, get some soap and water, and I'm going to clean all this up, and I'm gonna black it out. I'm probably gonna use some rhino, what they call it, rhino spray to do it. You know what? No, I'm gonna just use this regular black. I'm gonna use some Rust-Oleum black or something. Call it a day. I got plenty of that. Yep. That's a semi-gloss. Yep. Yeah, both semi-gloss. So I might just use this, man. Spray it up. Make sure it's real clean enough. Get some underbody coating. I don't know. I might use this rubberized. Yeah, I might use this instead. Yeah, I might use that. And the paint in there. Get that all black. Let it dry. Then we're gonna come back to this and get it situated. You did. Alright, man, so something real light. So I just kind of like quickly sprayed in here, man, to get rid of some of that black, that white dirt. So it looks way better. So I'm pleased with this. Thinking about getting that back railing, but then I'm like, might be going for too much. So I'm gonna just leave that like that. And then we're gonna keep it moving. I'm gonna put the box in, gonna wire this up. Gotta tap in, which I don't know if I got some stuff tapping. Screws. We need to tap into the back, the ground. And we should be Gucci, you did. So stay tuned, stay tuned. So it's looking a lot better than what it did. I still got to come back in and do a little bit of spraying, like down in the corner, so you won't see it. Like a little bit over there, just a little bit too, but in a nutshell, it look way better than what it did. So, I already started wiring up the amp. Everything is gone. I got to find a ground, and I'm hoping I can do it back there in that corner somewhere. So we're gonna see. So I do the ground, and then connect the speaker wire. And we should be Gucci. We did. So stay tuned, stay tuned. I still got to figure out how I'm gonna connect the speaker wire. You got to connect it 4 on, 2 on, whatever it is. That's how you want to connect it. So stay tuned. I'm gonna get it done eventually. You did. it's a whole lot of settings in this radio. So you gotta turn the subwoofer level up, all that good stuff, man. But it do bang out. Let me see if we can get a little bit of that trunk rapping. Let me see what that trunk do. You hear it, man. It's done. So we good. You did. So stay tuned to the next vid, man. The SS now got beat, and we're gonna move it right along. You did. Holla at your boy.